So hey guys, it's the GM twins, and as usual the kitchen is open for a lot of fun stuff. Yeah, we do baking here, so a lot of baking. So today we're making peanut butter cookies, and you're gonna love this video because it's gonna teach you the step to step and how to do this peanut butter cookies in the most simplest form ever. It's super fun. So these are the mini pictures taken from our food journey lately, so stay tuned. So the first step, if you've been keeping up with my videos, you would know, is to wash your hands. Always do that. This is so important. And secondly, is to pour out 2.5 cups of flour in a bowl, then sieve it. Yeah, so essential. It helps for a fine texture. Yeah, so if you have a siever around, please do sieve your flour before using it. Yeah, everything makes a difference. No matter how little it might be, I can tell you it does make a big difference. So please sieve your flour. There it goes. So can you see that? Throw it out. So thirdly, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the flour. So this is basically the steps we follow every time. Yeah. So that's 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder. Please take note. It's baking soda. Yeah, mix it together as well. So the fourth step, in a separate bowl are 3 spoonfuls of white sugar and 3 spoonfuls of brown sugar. Actually, brown sugar is a necessity here, rather, and it's very important. You can see that third bowl over there, it's having 1 spoonful of sugar. We're gonna use it afterwards, so I'm gonna tell you what that is. 4. So I added brown sugar and white sugar in the bowl, and I'm pouring it out. There it goes. So the next step, add ½ cup of softened butter and 2 spoonfuls of peanut butter. So if you're not really good with the calculations, ½ cup of butter, ½ cup of this, you can add 4 to 5 spoonful of butter as shown. You can see that size with your spoon. Yeah, while for the peanut butter, just 2 spoonful of that of peanut butter. So it will help you with your calculations. So now the peanut butter, not Z. I love that name. And I don't usually use peanut butter, but when I'm making peanut butter cookies, so obviously I got to bring out the peanut butter. So I kind of see this peanut butter as like a special remedy or like recipe rather. So I just love the scent of it, and I love the feeling that I have to use it today, and I'm really excited about this. Okay, it's not really easy to remove from this other spoon, but okay. Now it's over, and look at the beauty. Two butters like mixing two as one, two becoming one. So it's so exciting. So the next step is to mix thoroughly, mix together. Like how let's say, this is very essential. You have to mix it together, and do not forget you could either use your hands or you can use your electric mixer. So, but I kind of prefer using my hands because I feel it tastes different and natural. But you know what? It's your choice. That's what I always say. There it goes. So now mix together. It might look hard at first, but just keep on pushing, just like you're pushing other for a brighter future. So you're pushing other in order to make the best cookie. Don't you think so? Yeah, so just like that. So the next step, add an egg to the mixture. Yeah, an egg, just one egg, nothing more than that. So breaking the egg. Now it's time to mix it together. Mix it. Oh, look at that. Like, this could go for a TikTok video. What do you think? Like, I'm really considering that. So keep on mixing until it becomes soft and fluffy. So can you see the end result? Yeah, just like that. So next is to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla powder to the mixture. Pour it in and mix it. Yeah, so beautiful, like cooking such a hot. So the next step is to pour the wet mixture into the flour mixture, as I always say. This is like the fun part because everything's come together, but do not forget to mix with a long spoon at first, then later you could knead with your hands, your beautiful hands, until you see no speck of flour. This is very important. It might look odd at the beginning, but you just have to keep on kneading, pushing and pressing. Even the sun loves this, and I wish I could share with the sun, but you know, the sun is sharing Can you see it? It's looking different from what it was before. The texture becomes thicker and firmer and easy to roll up. So that's why putting it into the refrigerator is very important. So roll the dough into balls with your beautiful hands as well. And remember the 1 spoonful of sugar we left aside, then you're going to roll this in. Yes, so that's 1 spoonful of sugar, and roll that in just enough to cover every part of that. I really tried a lot to cut down sugar because I don't basically really love taking sugary things, but if you have a sweet tooth, you can add like 1 spoonful of sugar to the recipe. It's your choice. So now lay it all out. This is my favorite part, and I really love doing this too. So I had to do this quickly because there was a lot of that, and I was eager to make it. There we go. So the next step is a very basic step. It's time to bring out your fork to press down the dough to form beautiful marks. Yeah, the marks you see on all peanut butter cookies is as simple as this. So just bring out that fork and press right in, and don't forget to remove gently. Yeah. So that's all. You just press the other side as well. That's it. Just like that. Press firmly. Bring it out gently. So beautiful. So, did you know there was a reason behind the fox sign? Yeah, this is actually done a long time ago. So if you haven't like a peanut butter allergy, you would know by seeing the signs on it. So you know, don't eat this because you're allergic to it. But now it's like a classic design. Everyone loves it. I love it. So bake for 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. Don't forget that and keep on checking. So why don't we bring out some ice cream? It's good with this, perfect with this. So I'm just pouring out a little bit because the sugar and other stuff. So surprise, we did it! As usual, we did it. So you could do this if you don't try it out. So as we always do as well, let's check out the pictures and videos gotten from the peanut butter cookie. Can you see that? It's so beautiful. So we're gonna dip that in straight into the ice cream. I wish I could give it to you, but you know what? Just make it at home and comment in the comment box below. Tell me how you did it. Did it go out great? So, and you could ask questions as well. So the mini picture is taken. So I shared with my friends and family, and they loved it, and I hope you do, so don't forget to share. So I hope you enjoyed the music and everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. You have a nice day.